wanted to do a video that showed you how to increase the resolution of an image, as well as the DPI of an image. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously locate the images that you are going to be working with. I have the regular pictures in the original resolution of 1024 by 1024. And then I have all of the images in upscaled fashion, which is 6000 by 6000. All images that are going to be downloaded by a customer needs to be at least 6000 pixels by whatever. The minimum should be 6000. So since this is a square, it'll be 6000 by 6000 pixels. But the DPI is still 96 DPI. Now, you may ask, how the heck do I know what the DPI is of the picture? Well, you're not going to be able to tell on Google. You're going to have to download it to your computer. So I've downloaded these pictures to my computer, and I will show you what it looks like on here. Now, here is, I've downloaded these images, and so far I only see the, and I'll take preview. I only see the name, the date, the type, and the size, but I need to know what the resolution is, and I need to know what the DPI is. And so I've already done this with upscale, but I'll show you how to do this, how to get the information columns here. What you're going to do is you're going to right click up here. You can right click anywhere on any of these. Same drop down menu will come up. You're going to right click, you're going to go down to, now I've already selected dimensions, that's why it's there. So dimensions, all right, so it tells me it's 1024 by 1024, but I want to know what the DPI is. So I'm going to right click again right here on the menu bar. I'm going to click more, and you're going to have to select two different details. You're going to go to the H's and select horizontal resolution, and you're going to scroll all the way down to V and select vertical resolution and click OK. That will bring up the horizontal and vertical resolution on the far right, and it'll tell you the dots per inch, or the DPI measurement. For these images, it's 96. So if I increase the dimensions of this image right here to 6000 by 6000, the DPI is still going to be 96. So the way to change that is, it's a two-step process. You're going to go to bulk resizephotos.com, and you're going to upload all of the images that you would like to increase the size of. So we're going to go here, we're going to go to green, and here we go. We're going to upload all of those. So it's going to upload those, and it's going to ask, what do you want us to do? And so we want image dimensions to be, it started out at 1024, but we want it to be 6000 by 6000. All right, and then we want it to stay in PNG format and start. Transparent, just keep transparent background. Start. Once it starts, it'll start resizing everything. I've already resized everything to 6000. And so it'll tell me, once it's complete, it'll download a zip file, and it'll tell me before it was 13.8 megabytes, and now it is 234 megabytes. So that's also good to know if we're uploading these to Shutterstock. All right, so I'm done with bulk resize photos. I'm going to X out of that, and now I want to increase the DPI of the images. And so I'm going to go to online DPI converter. And the good thing about this one is you can do up to 50 files at a time. So I'm going to add all of those images back. Make sure you add the ones that are upscaled already to 6000. The way you can look at that is you can go here, details, and oh, you still can't see it? That's fine. Let's look at dimensions. Cool, 6000. So we want all of these. Open all of those. You'll see they're uploading. And we want it to be 300 DPI. 300 is the minimum. DPI is for printing purposes. So if someone downloads one of our pictures and wants to put it on a bag or a t-shirt or whatever, that's perfectly fine, but it needs to be sharp. enough for that picture to print accurately, correctly. And so we want it to be at least 300 DPI. So it's automatically converting everything. All right, so they're all done, and we're going to click download all. It's going to create a zip file, and once it's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it, I'm going to replace all of the files in the upscaled folder with these files. So let's go here. We're going to extract all of them to the correct folder. And we want to replace the files in that destination. All right, it's working. So let's go back to that folder and make sure that we have the correct information. So everything should be at least 6,000 by 6,000 dimensions, and I have a DPI of at least 300, and that is correct. So if you have any questions, just let me know.